what a finish. It's absolutely awesome. So behold, this is a Guards Red 981 Spyder rear wing, or a ducktail if you like, and I'm going to fit it to the car. Let's go and do it. The first thing we have to do is remove the old spoiler. Fairly simple. There are 5 Torx screws in here, and to access them, the easiest way is to raise the spoiler, open the tailgate, and then it's really easy to access these. In order to fit the Spyder ducktail, we need to buy these brackets. I'll put the part number on the screen, but there's one for the right and one for the left. You put one bolt here and then one here, but these can be fitted once the ducktail is fitted to the car. So first what we've got to do is put the brackets onto the mounting points and then come back and fit the spoiler. Let's go and do it. Okay, we have to move these ever so slightly to make sure the spoiler fits and there's good clearance at either side. And you need to manoeuvre these to get the screws to line up just perfectly. It's a little bit of trial and error. This side is to move slightly to the right. Perfect. It looks great. It just adds to that sort of specialness at the rear end, but most importantly it looks like it belongs. But the badge, I think I need to adjust it. I think it might look better down on the bumper like the Spyder, and if we do that then we need to paint it black to match the diffuser. Let's do it. Cleaned the badges, they're ready to be Plastidipped. I've kept the Plastidip in some hot water so it sprays nice and fine. We're going to do about 4 or 5 coats and hopefully that will tone down the badge and then we'll be able to apply it into the bumper. Let's go! let's get it out of here and take a proper look. So guys, what do you think? Here it is, side profile. I love how it swoops down and up again. It really does look quite special. I love how the light curves round and the line continues up and along. It looks great. I love the swoop. It just looks really special. It looks OEM. It doesn't look aftermarket. It looks OEM. I mean, it is OEM. It's a Spyder part. And you'll see yourself, Porsche actually, when they were building a prototype of the Spyder, they actually fitted the spoiler without the humps. So they've done this themselves. I like the positioning of the badge. I think it suits it better. This area was larger than it used to be for some reason. I know it isn't, but it seemed larger because it continued. So you needed something to fill here. And you couldn't actually see the badge where it was anyway. It looks quite stylish, a little bit more aggressive, and definitely a lot more special. It's a subtle change, but it's one of these things that makes quite a difference. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it, and I really like the outcome. It just looks amazing. I'm so pleased. We've got another one coming up soon. We'll be filming at night this time. That gives you a clue, but surely this outcome deserves a like and a subscribe. Go ahead and do it now. Thanks, and we'll see you for the next one.